The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger. This is from Captain Jack Farm to the great family we take care of Flanker. Let me show you a big piece of yam now. We're now looking out. No. If we have it, we don't have it, see there. If we have it, we don't have it. This is from the great Captain Jack. No fertilizer. Montego Bay. Yes. It's a good corner. This Jamaica good life. See there. So this is the video has someone to. There you go, man.
Thank you.
This is from Captain Jack for all the work that you do for the community. Enjoy it with your husband. So there's a girl that's going to find her number and leave peace here for her. And she can come get the car to this system. But we have so much wealth. We're so rich. This is as fertilized. So anytime we get food, we don't know what's in. We don't get food.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you for what you do.
Yeah.
Alright, one love, sister. Enjoy. Do you know people cooking good enough?
Yes, man. Me a chef, you know, so you know, be hungry. Alright.
Nice.
Make the man. Yeah, man.
Give thanks, brother. Make the man say what I'm
Yeah, brother Randy. Welcome again, brother Randy, real general.
No.
Yeah, change and balance, you know, brother Randy said that, you know, to the world, you know. For the boy and for the girl, and I always say hot food same way, Prapa Spice. So I have brother Randy there at chill out from them time there until now, no? Yeah, we say Jamaica good life. To the world again. Yeah. Yeah, man.
I really believe in things.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we ask the brother, you can't leave the world them around here when I do it, man. Live it and walk it and talk it, man. Mentally, physically,
You mean
and spiritually,
Flanker
man.
really accept the vibration?
If you accept change and balance, brother, that's the thing. They let you know accept it, it's a forward change and balance. Yes. Rastafari said that.
Only truth in the universe.
Yeah.
From the butterfly to Rasta man. Synchronized.
Yes, I. Yeah. Life over there to say, man. Yeah, man. So from Ital just it. Yeah. It's a journey for everyone.
I'm glad to see you.
Acceptation, you know.
Talk about
Yeah, man.
life. What's the life like for you?
Well, life great, Uncle Randy. Life great. Life could never be better, because guess what I'm now? The only better I can get, I'm going to go short a plate of the food. See what I say? And it's sweet, that's up. Life great. It's just that sometimes it's sad to see brother and sister them live certain way because of the colonial system and the masters them are their own. We are corrupt the things same way. And I teach you be a lie. See what I say? So that you know, make the thing set away. Make it come like we're still hungry, make it come like we still not get no shelter. Not no clothes, not no food. And Mother Earth provide them things there every day for we. Every day. We don't have to go to bed hungry. Changes every day, caterpillar life. You see it? Every day change. Yeah, balance you say still. Change and balance. And that's the thing there. But brother Randy, everything good man. We see the thing up on YouTube and gone global. Only for guests to get through it and you don't know it's a channel, it's a portal that come out and come up. Enough youth, enough ghetto youth, only per way. Them youth are really out. Magnificent one, you see me, melanated youth, carbonated youth, them youth are almighty in a flesh same way. Yeah, I and I same way, you see it? And no man no more than no man, see God is a whole. You see me? I do it, no mama.
We could get some food.
One love, you
bring
see
a
it?
piece of yam for you.
Yes man, I give thanks
You
man.
mean me now?
I whole heap of youth, you see, I whole heap of youth, I see you going to them farm and dig up some whole heap of thing and I say, yeah man, brother Randy, think good man.
What you say about them? I'm saying I'm coming here, I say, I don't know me. What you say? What we are doing?
A good thing you know do, man. A long time I watch it, man, with Baba and Patrick and the whole of them, man, you know. Long time I watch it, man. For a
I
long
reach flanker now.
Yeah.
And you know, so the anchor here, what?
Yeah.
The change of balance camp there at the seaside.
Yeah.
And we have the things that we teach you them how to make money now.
Same way.
So yeah, I can bring in the soldiers then for the have a class.
Yeah.
So we
Let's
have
go
the
get the date and
projector,
thing.
we have the TV, now we have the tent to cover it. So we intend to use the Shaka Zulu mode and go around Babylon and teach them how to make money differently.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
the next move.
That time move. I feel football they see me run saying man. Let me again. Yeah, as me tell you, they're about same way.
So we bring the 10,000 book. We're not up on some fasting thing, you know. You might have to hide the goal, you know, and get him a new chain, you know. Oh, you know, believe yourself. The Prapa Spice. But when you see me, you say, oh shit, roll up. So when we left it that day there, I'm like,
I if they don't want to accept, and that's the thing there because we didn't global and everything change, everything balance back forward, same way. See me I say, I'm selling bun now over there so. Few weeks time you see it come up back fresh and green, change and balance. You see it? Man then go see last week, catch a bag of perch. Then go next week, then catch 2 sprat.
talk to him, I get to you.
See me I say, yeah man, a brother Crouch, they both brother Randy. So you don't know. Yeah, them you there hold up the thing to you see it. Them you there me know Randy. Yeah, pick up yourself Crouch anyway you're there. Flanker, not got no anchor around here, just pay love and joy for the girl and boy. Yeah. Oh, it's a good life, you know, Prapa Spice. Africa the motherland. Coming at you again live, you see it, and live in colors. Yeah. Life sweet. Jamaica good life sweet too. We're in a part of paradise. See it. Yeah. Love yourself, mama. So what's your name?
Tasha.
Empress, Miss Tasha. Empress Tasha. Powerful warrior. Yeah man. Yeah, Tasha, see generally I found it. And we ask them on the boss upside cool.
This is for you, my general.
One love, my brother.
We come from
Give
the
thanks,
mountains.
man.
This is fully
Yeah
organic.
man, 100%.
No fertilizer, so no color around it.
No fertilizer, see it? Natural food, you see it? Straight out of Ital. And I'm going to tell them some other earth. Cultivate everything for you already. All we have to do is enrich the earth. You see it? Just till it's soil and you see it? Yeah, brother.
Give me the name.
Andre.
Yeah, brother Randy.
What's your business?
Chaman.
So get him number. Tell the people of your business.
Alright, me do
Yeah,
Jota
man.
pick
Come
up.
to get some.
Name Andre. Phone number 876 303 2115. Entire coming to Jamaica, you want a good driver to pick you up, keep you safe. That's me.
But you link with no, with upper flanker community center
Well, we'll take a step. You have to give me certain
information.
You have to bring me. Me not really
My
walk.
brother Crouch, my brother Crouch.
1876. Give me a number again.
365 6679.
Nice. Prapa Spice.
You know my brother Crouch the car come here, man. Crouch man, it's all you out, man. You give my interview, see me, man.
Eh?
Remember the all you
Oh,
out,
yeah. Mr. Clark.
Mr. Clark. Yeah, you know man, Mr.
Yeah,
Clark, yeah.
So you see him out the place?
Yeah, man, he give me a link more.
Yeah, go
man.
check him
What you
out.
say,
Now we're more organized and we're ready.
Yeah.
Prapa Spice. So you go pop out 2 things for me on the Empress.
Alright.
Anything is anything. We want to constantly support. Show them the good food, that the best thing.
We have Princess, a Prapa Spice, you know, we're there again, you see it? Yeah, we have some bulgur rice cooked on the coconut juice, you see it? Yeah, man, we still do it. Still do it every day with pumpkin. Yeah, that has some pumpkin stew with some pasta and I same way. Like quinoa pasta. So some jerk chickpeas. See me I say? Nice, same way. The yam, the other just carry come forward. You see it? We have some vegetable quinoa. See? Some chop suey, original chop suey with some mushroom and I same way, you see it? We now left out the sip. So you have a good rich sip, yeah? Smells it? Rich and nice with the burro banana. The same yam with the warrior just forward. Yeah man, a proper spice again, princess. We say hot food to the world for the boy and for the girl, yeah. We line up the food. Jamaica good life. At it again. Proper spice to the world. Prapa Spice, organic food, no? I want some bush cabbage. Bush cabbage in a balsamic vinegar, you see it? A long box in dinner. Come on, a Prapa Spice, see it?
Beautiful. The colors.
Natural though. Yeah man, lunch is served, is it? Hot food. Full jar, yeah? One love.
This is Randy.
Yeah,
What
man,
a
this is
man.
Andre, you know.
So tell them about Jamaica Good Life. How it changed, what it do to your psyche?
You know, so it make me look into things more different and me look on things more on an organic settings. Cause right now, me not eat meat and them something there, you know. Me eat straight, you know, vegetable, fruits and them something there. And I feel like from watching your program, I get them kind of inspiration there. I watch how they live simple and, you know, when I go and grill, when I link up with the guy them down there and, you know, not but joy, you know.
Pure love.
Not but joy. I'm glad to see you. Never know some would have just buck up on you one day, but I say, you know.
Yeah, but you see, say simplicity and love. I really
Yeah, man.
vibe. Give me your number so I can link you with that watching.
876-303-2115.
So you are the tour guide guy.
Tour guide.
So when them come down and you in a Ochi, you know everywhere.
Everywhere.
You travel to Jamaica, you know all the dance.
Everywhere. We used to live at Kingston at one time. We used to live at Rockford. We used to live at Mountain View. We used to go Winward Road, All-Age School, and it was an All-Age School. We used to go Kingston Technical, you know. So, I have the best boat, I have the, you know.
You know the rivers,
Yeah,
them,
we
the
don't know
falls,
what
and the
going.
grill. So
Yeah.
you are the guy.
Yeah,
No boy can. If you want to go Wednesday, Wednesday, it's not a problem.
not a problem. No problem, none.
Any woman want to roll and feel safe.
One
And you.
thing. Exactly.
And if they bring 10,000 of them carry, them not
Them
to worry
not
about
worry-
it.
Them not have to worry about it.
Because Good Life seal it.
Exactly.
So they just come here and tell me where they are. Come here.
Exactly.
Which is right. This is Flanker. People at the anchor. See Flanker there? Yo, man, go got the Ochi soon, so
Yeah,
I'm
man,
glad
you
to
can
meet
link
you.
up when you come at Ochi, man.
You are the know Jamaica Good Life authorized Ochi race.
Yeah, man.
navigator.
I always envision that in my head, you know, when time I watch the program, I say probably if one day I come and watch him, I can link with him, you know, and see it there. To make the link.
The divine time.
Yeah.
People, this is Jamaica Good Life, not a cool life. What the guy name?
Andre.
Andre, and give her your number again.
876-303-2150.
It's a pleasure. Do you have family?
Yeah.
Have a girlfriend?
Yes, I have a girlfriend.
Can you tell her you love her, or that's going to be too much for the world to know?
Baby, I love you. You know yourself already.
So you know, more time I find Jamaica man, them and tell them, say, do you love your girlfriend? Them say,
I love my girlfriend.
why you love your girlfriend? Why you love her?
Because she always have my back. She makes sure I'm good. You know what I'm saying? She not there for want stuff. You know, some girl, and she's very productive. She work. So she not depend on you. She not gonna depend on you as a man to give her everything. And that's what I admire about her, because I grew up come see my mother work hard. So therefore, I don't want a woman who sit down and nod, you know. You know, I want productive people around me because I'm productive myself. So I'm not ashamed to say I love my woman.
What is it?
All of them qualities.
What is it about Jamaica where you will never leave? Why you not left? Or if you leave, why? What is it Jamaica that makes you happy?
Just feel free. Like I don't drink regular pipe water. I can go to the spring, go catch my water. I can go to the spring, catch my water for cook, catch my water for drink. You know, it's just the freedom and it just feel natural, you know. It's just the vibe, the whole vibration. We never leave that.
Good. So respect to you and love and respect. This is Jamaica Good Life, Randy. It's not a cook life. Big up to Sandy, because I know so that the girls them what? Candy. Sometimes they can't stand me. Because we say Marcus, Garvey. Sometimes they even ban me. Some say Babylon, where you there? Watch your step on Randy is a weapon. Say flanker there. Boom. And Prapa Spice. Everything nice at Prapa Spice. See it there? When they see the food, they have to say, whoa.
Yeah, man, I do that again, brother.
Yes, man. People, when you come up at the airport, please say your number again slowly, please.
Yeah, man, 365-6679, man.
When you come from the airport, this is the only place we endorse, because when we see her for the call, we love the pop show. You see me? People, I this. You come to Jamaica for the healing, so you're supposed to get the best food anyway. Best food.
Yeah, man.
No fat and thing.
Yeah.
No rat or
You got
cat
some mushroom
and
chop suey. We got some mushroom chop suey.
Mm-hmm.
We got mushroom chop suey, and we got some pumpkin stew. And we still got some, you know, got some jerk chickpeas.
You know, some of the car airport and straight, and some come and you never open. And what days you open?
Yeah, man. We do 5 days a week from Monday to Friday, you see?
Okay.
Yeah. We balance off, but I think that you don't know, you see it? How much is it? 1,000 no bar. You serious? Yeah, man. 850? No, 850? No, man. A little food that. That's it.
It's a big food. That's a big food for big people.
I say, yeah, man. I eat, man.
Thank you, Prapa Spice.
Give thanks again, brother.
For keeping it so nice.
Yeah, man.
I remember the food, my sister. Yes, my brother. Where the fork on it? Ooh, are this your wife for me? That one here? I don't want your wife for me. Come, my general. Come look on this. Jaja. We can't buy a general a food too. We not can buy your food too.
Good food, man.
Jaja.
Food, you know?
Boy. It's amazing, man. You know, say, this is it. Them couldn't stop. A16. Yeah, man. This is Jamaica Good Life. So this is you like yourself? Or two of them off away. Where you say? So Prapa Spice, tell me about the mix now. Come explain this to the people. Jaja. Explain this for the people. What is this?
That mixture, you know, that mixture, a jerk chickpeas with pineapples, you see me? Yeah, and then you got some mushroom chop suey. So you got zucchini, squash, red bell peppers, and some pop chow. With yeah, man. You want the pumpkin stew with some quinoa pasta, you see it? And a bush cabbage with some balsamic vinegar and some colored cabbage, color red. See
so they can Google Prapa Spice.
You see me? Yeah, man, naturally.
And it's straight from the airport.
Yeah.
Prapa Spice.
Natural food, man. You can't get no better. Yes, I eat.
Alright.
See what I say? Yes, I job.
Gift time.
Yeah, one love.
One love.
Good life.
What do you mean? The Good Life endorsement. See the people. And this is considered the Good Life food at the highest level. Because I come from the highest frequency of people. So all the cow eaters and pig eaters, take a break. For God's sake, take a break off of the cow and the pig. You know the chicken have soul too, right? You know what chicken and kill the other day and nobody no pray. Bad man, if you kill chicken and you no pray why chicken a problem, you know. What you think? Real captain. People, this is Jamaica good life. Now this wise man I teach me something new. Tell me about the good and where you say.
Yeah man, the good, you have to just be good. But too good, people abuse that situation. People start look on what you got. Then if you give you something, them say, no man, you don't need of it. And because you're just too good. Sometimes when you're too good, sometimes you not even have it, but you have a dollar and you just see a need and you just give him. You understand and I say, a man look on you and say, I help you, they help you. Oh, the man they have money and he start look on your background. Maybe you have 2 pieces of car and they say, oh, I have money, you know man. And I don't really money you have. You understand what I say? But at the journey where you've been through, make you can accumulate what you have and now you decide to go share. But people look on you as sharing, they look on you as say you have it and then turn around and steal. Someone want to hurt you through, then see maybe you give one old lady around and say want $500. So oh, the man they have money. Not have it too. You just try to make him who need it
feel it.
Be comfortable. Yeah. It's all about the need it.
Too good. Don't be too good.
Don't be too good. Just be good.
Just be good.
Yeah.
This is good.
People have abused too good.
Give me your number, I'll come check you at your place.
Right, that's what I work now.
You work that's
Yeah man.
What kind of work you do?
So you can't out like this.
You see? Oh, you work there?
Yeah.
You sell the car them?
Yeah.
Okay, people. And what the king name? Stiggy. Alright, people, this is Stiggy. And the man said, don't be too good. This is Jamaica Good Life with our flanker right now. So I can make the world get to know him, you know?
Them on African symbol, them on they represent Jamaica, them on the ambassador, them on they play the biggest sound, them on
they have them production
Asian tell about God.
When they have them thing Japan and them places.
Okay. So them represent the
Original
culture
man,
from
Yeah,
level.
yeah, them on they represent the culture, Jamaican culture, and reggae music, you see it?
They play music for King Jammy's time.
Wow.
Then forward, man,
I
because I know
want
situation.
ancient monarch with the Irish with man. I tell them to say you can't too good. That's good because
African symbol. So then now.
Take a photo, keep it on your phone.
Wow, my
You don't need
brother.
nothing.
Wow,
Two
brother.
studio, record shop, everything. You see them?
Wow, my brother. So when I want to do my album, you can help me out.
Oh, you're ready, man.
Jaja, a long time I have to tell them, say, it's a jungle out there. Me not even want to tell a Jamaican name, because when I sing the verse, they with teeth. You not true me attack.
Yeah, man.
Me not for watch when I sing.
Vice Pioneer and Europe and RFM.
Yes, man, we don't want them want to hold out the culture, because you have now, Jamaica is like them a sell out all of the culture.
Yes, sir.
All of the culture with them a sell out. And they want to make some other people, they want to make it oppressors then own the thing, like a film.
Fox.
They must switch over the thing. Right now the man they want to make a movie.
Fox.
With the Bob
So
Marley.
we have a TV company.
With the Bob Marley thing, you see me?
Yeah, that
You know what I say?
I Warner Brothers. I think that's Sony. They make the movie, Bob Marley movie.
Yeah, so the movie there, they even mix it up because they might put the
That's why you already.
they might put the peace concert. They mix up the peace concert with
I'm going to set the phones and take it longer.
yes, it's only kill it.
Okay.
Sony kill Michael Jackson, you know.
Yeah.
And the next one.